It's very important for all people to improve the knowledge. People work in the library is called librarian. The public library always open for everyone that like reading. In the library, there are many books, newspapers, magazines, and more. Some books in the library are for students read in the library, and some books in the library are for people borrow to read at home. School library are only for teacher and students go to reading and search something that they want to know. Library also a good place for a student go to visit and learn about new things. More than this, library is a good place for a student for all people that like to reading. Finally, I would like to say thank you, teacher, and everyone that. Finally, I would like to say thank you, teacher, and everyone for listening to my topic.
Okay, so now start. Romy hả? Romy. Okay, cái đây Romy